Hey, welcome back to the channel. I just wanted to give you guys a quick update on my Jeep here, on the Rusticon. You know, I did some front end work. We got new floors welded in over there. Did some frame work on it. But I kind of made a quick video last year on this thing, and I noticed I got quite a few subscribers that were interested in it. So I'm just going to give you a little update on it and what I've done. I got it registered and I got it inspected. Stick around, I'll show you. So I got the front end rebuilt on this thing. All new ball joints, tie rods, stabilizer, track bar. I put the sway bar on with the quick links on it, because this old girl is pretty sketchy on the pavement, and it's it rides a lot better with that on there. But we did the U-joints and the drive shafts, all that good stuff, wheel bearings. I tightened up my steering box a little bit right here. If you can see that nut, that lock nut, there's a little bolt you can turn. But this thing, it had the worst death wobble I've ever experienced in my life. And it's solid now. The thing was sketchy as hell when I first got it. I boxed the rear frame back here because on the inside of the frame rail up where the gas tank is, I had some rot. So I just said, you know what, let's just box this whole thing. Got that welded in. I have the kit for the other side, but it's not that bad yet. So we're gonna keep running it like that. We got a patch up there. We got the new floor in here. I kind of tack welded it in, then used some adhesive. Got that pan to fit in there pretty nicely. I'm sorry it's kind of dark in the garage. Up underneath here, we got that body mount fixed up. Got that solid. Again, I put a patch in down here. But overall, this thing, you know, it's 1995. It's been around the world twice, but she's still kicking. Just a fun toy. There's a lot of dirt roads around where I am, and it's just a lot of fun. Just go beating around. But we got her inspected last year. I only put 200 miles on it, so I'm sure it'll pass again this year. This floor, still solid, good enough. Well, this old Jeep, what do we got on there? 267,000 on the clock. I tell you what, this little 4-cylinder runs damn good.